How to add captions to your PowerPoint. So you need to open up PowerPoint and have it running. If you go to the bottom left, you have all these icons. Go to this one that has little subtitles. Once you've clicked it and you speak into the mic, it will be able to pick up what you're saying and put out the subtitles. It is pretty good. It's not delayed that much, but you need to think about the audience. Can they read this fast? Obviously right now I'm speaking quite slow and broken up. However, if I were to speak a lot faster, will they be able to keep up? Will the audience be able to keep up with the reading? We're not really sure. So it depends how much reading. So for example, what are the pros and cons of having a dog? Dogs can poo everywhere, they stink, I don't know. And then the pros, it's not even actually typing up my ums. So it knows that I'm thinking. So it says arms instead of my ums. So the pros of having a dog, they're loyal, they'll always be your friend, they're always there to listen to you. Actually, to be honest, this is pretty good. Pretty proud of this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Kaka Now. Oh, pretty good. See ya!